Hello, it's me again, Jeanette, and today from Five Below I got this remote control Cobra, some assembly required. For this one we need 3 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. So let me get these out. So it says some assembly required, so I think that has to be hooked into the tail part. So let me open this guy. I'm going to give you a good look first. That's what it looks like in the box. Just undo the tape on the bottom. So for those that don't want to see this part, you can, and just want to see the thing going, you can always fast forward it. I know some people don't like this part, and other people do because it helps them see how to put these things together and how to put the batteries in. So there's our remote control. Here's the snake. Oh, it's 3 pieces. Okay. So it's 3 pieces. Another piece here. Okay, so batteries go in here, and then there should be a battery. Why are these things always on before you even? That's kind of weird. A lot of times they come on. So a battery compartment here. So let's put this together. So you gotta line up the little thing with the hole, the little nubs with the hole, supposedly. There you go, it pops into place. And this thing also, whoa, this is what I thought. Some of these toys, they don't stay in. You fall apart, you get it in. So both, let's see, oh no, both weren't snapped in that time. Oh, I can see this one having some trouble, because it's, if it doesn't, the snap doesn't work that good. It doesn't snap, it makes a snapping noise, but it doesn't stay snapped in. So yeah, that could be some trouble. Let me get this. Hopefully once I get this one, it's going to snap a little bit better. Come on. Okay. Oh man, yeah. This is going to be a problem because it makes a snapping noise. Both little things are snapped in, but it still falls out. It's too loose. It's too loose. It doesn't fit properly, so it's going to keep falling apart. Okay, well, let's see if I can still play with it. This thing is pretty long. I'm going to get my little screwdriver out. Okay, so this one needs the the triple A's. Now this one's going to probably fall apart again. I know this is itchy cat hair. It's probably fall apart again. I'm trying to open this, but let's try to be as careful as I can. Sometimes these screws are kind of hard to undo, even with a small screwdriver. It's coming out. Okay. So the 3 AAs go in here. I'm trying to be careful not to break the tail off again. there was two colors. There was the brown one, and then there's one in green for this. Put this down.
I wanna be the best in the game. That's my name. Check no restraints. I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest by the pain. Assess and I change. Possessed by the fact I'll be free one day. Society.
Yeah, of course. Turn it on now. Fix the tail again. Not made properly. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's pretty cool, besides the thing falling apart. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and show you guys on the floor. Cats versus snake. What is that, guys? What is that, Yosh? Oh, it doesn't have a back button. What is that, Gracie? Oh, that was pushing your tunnel. I got this from Five Below. It's a Cobra toy. They seem to like it. I thought they'd be afraid, but they're kind of afraid when it comes right at them, but otherwise. Uh-oh, here comes a kitten. Let's see what the kitten thinks. Oh, Oliver's frightened. Oh, it fell apart. It fell apart. This toy falls apart. It doesn't snap all the way. Oh no. Okay, it's back out of surgery. What do you think of it, little kitty? What do you think of it, Sophiana? Oh, fell apart again. Fail. Dead snake.